Welcome to ECTE laboratory. In this video I am going to show you very first Verilog HDL program. I am start with operating ModelSim. We are using the data flow modeling architecture to implement all the logic gates. I am starting with opening ModelSim by clicking on ModelSim shortcut. So file to new to project. This operation is close or yes, continue. So project name is and gate. Type So we type project name and gate, press OK, create new file. So file name is ngate, add file as type is Verilog, press OK. So now we create our file, close. So here right click and edit. So now we are in edit window. To save our time, I already typed Verilog program for AND gate in. So this is our Verilog program for 2 input and 1 output AND gate in Verilog. So copy this program and type in edit window. So paste in edit window. So first thing is module and gate is our name by our module name is and gate. Input one input A, second input is B and output is C. So we assigned C is equal to A and B and end module. So save this program, then right click on our file, compile to selected. So you see compile of ng_nandgate.v was successfully. So Verilog type file is .v. So we successfully compiled our file. Now we are going to simulate. For simulation we are here in library, work. So here is our AND gate file. Double click here. So this is our simulation window. Here layout comes to simulate. Now we are going to see our simulation in waveform, to addition of waveform, and this is sim. So addition to waveform, click on add to wave, all items in region. So click on this and this brings our waveform like. So this is our waveform of AND gate. Here are 2 input of A, B and 1 output is C. So come here to the run button and press run. So you see 2 inputs and 1 output. So you can view by this full zoom button. Here is a full zoom. By one time pressing the run button, we generate 100 nanoseconds time. Now I am signing out by promising to meet you again very soon with another video. Till then, if you are watching on YouTube, please do not forget to hit like button and share my video. Thank you.